Yes, students, question number 14. Write the successor of this. Successor means next number. So for that, what you have to do? You have to add 1 to it. Now addition, you know, this will be the successor. Same way, C part I have done. You have to write successor. Again, you have to add 1. So addition, you all know. Clear? This will be the successor. This is the answer. 15th question. Write the predecessor. Predecessor means the number which is at back. That means you have to subtract minus 1. Clear? So 1 we can't subtract from 0. Borrow from here. Here will come 10. This will become 9 and this will become 5. And subtraction you all know you can do it. Same way here, predecessor minus 1 from the number and this will be the answer. Yes students, 20th question. Find the difference between the place values of two 8s. You can see two 8s are there. You have to write place value of this 8. What is the place value? It is 80 crore. 8, count the number of zeros I wrote here. Then of this 8, what is the place value? It is 10,000 I wrote here. And then you are asked to find out difference. So all of you know how to find difference. Question number 21. Find the product. Product means multiply. Difference means subtraction. Clear? So two 7s are there. Look here. You have to write the place values 7 and count the number of zeros. 4 zeros are there. After this 7, count the number of zeros. 2 are there. Product means you have to multiply these two. So children, how to multiply? 7 7s are 49. Now count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will write 6 zeros over here. So this finishes your exercise 1.2. Let's start with exercise 1.3 children. Insert these signs: greater, lesser or is equal to. See, two values are given here. You can see, count 4 and 4, 91, 91, 03, 03, exactly same, so is equal to. Now look here children, your first step when you will compare two numbers, your first step is to count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits are there? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If both are same, then you have to match the digits. 87, 87. The next period is 87. Here it is 78. So which is greater? 87. So we will show this sign over here. Next question, count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Digits are same. 9, 9. Next period is 0, 0. Here it is 0, 6. So which is greater? 0, 6. This will be greater. Yes students, second question. Arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to bigger. So these are the numbers. What I told you, count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits are there? 9. You can write here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many digits? 5. So children, it is ascending order. Ascending means smallest to bigger. So 5, this is the smallest number of digits. So this will be number 1. This will be on number 2. Then children, all these are same. Let's compare 56 first period, 76 and 46. What will come on third number? Third number. Then this is fourth number and then this is fifth number. Clear? So this way you will get to know and you can write the answer yourself of this. You can write this will be first, then second, then third number, then fourth and then fifth. Same way, next question children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So children, what will come on first number? This is first number, second number, third number and fourth number. What will come children? It's 53, it's 63. This is fourth and this is fifth. Now descending order, I wrote both the parts and children you have to find out. Descending means greater to lesser. Clear? So one part I will solve for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the maximum number of digits are here. So this will be first number. Then second will be between these these three. Compare it, 12, 48 and 51. Second number, third number, fourth number, and then the last is fifth number. Clear, students? Do this part yourself. These are the digits in fourth question, and you are asked to write smallest and greatest number. So smallest is 2, we'll start with 2, then 3, then 4 and so on. Same way greatest number is what? 8, we'll start with 8, then followed by 6. Now we will do this question now only. Smallest number 0, we can't start any number with 0. What is the next smallest? 3, then next smallest 4, then 5, then children it is, children, 0 is also smallest number, so we have to take this also. 3, 0, then will come 4, then will come 5. Put tick the digits which are used. 3 is used, 4 is used, 0 is used, then 5 is also used. Then next is 6, then next is 7, then next is 8 and then 9. Now greatest, we'll start from here. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, but we can end any number with 0, so 0 will be at last. Don't forget to put commas. These are very important, clear? So you have to learn all these conversions. Need not to learn, if you will understand, you will get to know. Look here, how you can do that. Indian system, place values are written. International system, what are the place values? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 million, 100 million. So children, it is clear from here. 100 million is equal to 10 crores. 10 million is equal to 1 crore. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So from here you can compare and any conversion you can do. Second question of exercise 1.4 is write each of the following in international system. So same way children, as I told you earlier, in Indian system it is compulsory to write place values, which I wrote ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. Now separate the period. Clear? So how we'll write it? 21,345,727. So I wrote here 21,345,000. Okay. So same way. Next question, H part. Write the place values. Separate the periods. This is one period. How to write it now? 376,245,184.
Start.
Third question, student, write in figure 26 million. So first step is to write the place value. 26 million, two places will cover of million. 253,000. This is thousand place. 253,144. Clear? And then put commas. C part, 909 million. Look here, million place, what will come? 909 million 200,000. 200 under 1000 period, 200 is there. 445. So same way children you can do rest of the parts.
Start.
Question number 4th children, you are asked to write in Indian as well as international. So Indian system, write the place values and write in words. Same value, write the place values in international system and then place values. Now children, we have done number pattern.
Start.
Okay students, this is your test of this week. You can note down the questions and complete chapter number 1 on your notebooks as well. Clear? Maintain your notebooks. We will check it afterwards. Thank you and note the test also.